My name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona, and I'm also the owner of Carter Law Firm in Phoenix. And I recently got the question on my website about, can you publish private emails? Well, this is kind of a complicated question. And I'm sorry that the official answer is it depends. But let me give you some issues you want to think about if you're going to reproduce an email on your social media or your blog or something like that. So let's start with copyright. Now, copyright is the rights a person gets in works that they create. Typically you think about it in terms of artists, writers, things like that. But it applies to anybody who creates any original works, which includes emails. So the writer of an email is the copyright holder in it, and they do get the exclusive right to control where their work is copied, distributed, displayed, performed, etc. So if you take someone's email and you publish it on your blog without their permission, you might be committing copyright infringement, and they may have a claim against you. So you may want to think twice before you share it, unless you have their permission. Another thing to think about is things like defamation, where if you're going to take part of the email and publish it, and you may end up telling either a lie or a half-truth about the person or someone in the email based on the portion you share. If you don't share the whole accurate truth, you could inadvertently do that type of damage. So you want to be careful if you are going to reproduce an email online. It is possible under copyright that if you are going to share an email and then add your own original thoughts to it, you might qualify for something called fair use. But always remember, fair use is a defense, not a permission slip. So the person whose email you're copying could come after you for infringement, and then you'd have to defend yourself by saying, yes, I did copy your work, but it's okay because the fair use law allows it, and you'd have to use the fair use factors to defend yourself, and it may or may not be a fight you want to take on. So if you are contemplating publishing an email that you received privately in a public forum, it is a really good idea to consult an attorney to make sure that it's the right thing to do and that you understand the risks that you're taking before you do it. Because once you put something out there, you can never fully take it back. You never know how many times it's going to be seen, copied, reproduced, etc., etc. If you do choose to take it down, it could still be out there. So I hope this has been helpful, and I will catch up with you later. Take care.